Recording. Count, I'm recording. I'm recording.
Wait, no, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Wait, hang on, my first. Why are you recording?
I'm recording.
It's my baseball bat. I'll hit you with my baseball bat. Now, what if this was used lighting and when I'm really down and shot out at you?
Wait, so
What?
Why is mine sticking out long?
mine's tinier because you can only add 2 of them. But this is gonna work just as good.
But
Say hi.
Ours is just gonna have a
Say hi
more,
to the Molo
more.
game.
Bro, Yo, in one of my videos, I accidentally said welcome back to Molo VR.
I see America!
I was doing a YouTube video in my Oculus, and I said welcome back to Molo VR.
Don't face it at
And I said, and I'm like, welcome back to Mango Splits.
Ethan?
I still have
They're the same size.
I still have 5 subscribers.
I have 7. I'll go back. Hi, Daddy!
I will hold it like this, Ian, because
Yeah. When I light yours, you go further up, okay?
Oh, bye.
That way.
Be still.
I should have up.
Well, point that way.
I always hold them beside me instead of right in front of me in case it decides to blow out the back.
Yeah, see, that's what I was holding.
Oh my god, it's not working.
Do it.
Hang on, Kellen. Hold it still.
I can't hold still.
Here you go.
Up there, I don't know why he's getting off the thing.
Oh my god. I think I'm good.
Mine's getting a little hot.
Now, lay it down where you're at. There, can go.
Okay.
It was cool because it made you like.
What? Yeah.
I'm recording.
Are you recording?
Oh,
Wait,
look.
wait. Where are they? Can we do a little football?
A football?
Yes, bro. These things spin fast.
Oh, I want to do one.
Hold on, though. Get it where it's somewhere flat.
What about right here?
No way are these?
Then look.
These are these crackers? What are these?
Get something, Kellen, that you want.
Yo,
Or Kellen, do you
yo,
want?
yo, I'm watching.
What, Kellen? What is
I get back. I'm getting back.
Concentrate on your stuff.
Do you want to see walk?
Yo, why is it?
Oh, I know.
It's supposed to spin.
Yeah, it is.
Well, it's on gravel. Didn't really spin.
Yeah, I told them it may not.
Oh, actually, it is.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. What about the wall?
I wrote it.
Hey, Stephanie.
Wait, you need to go retrieve this?
Can I do it?
I don't know.
Can we do one of these? Yeah, come here.
Can I light it? Can I light it, please?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Please, for my
But
video.
didn't I tell you they can come out the house?
Oh, flip.
Maybe we should face it like kind of like that.
It's okay. It's okay.
Wait, it's gonna go
Okay.
maybe in my.
It's okay.
Run back when you light it.
You can cut that back after. You got the back.
Go, go. Run.
You need to go up.
Whoa, go, oh my gosh. I see it. Go, go, go. Oh my god, my phone.
Where'd it land at?
Where's it at?
In the field. I see it.
Where? Oh!
Guys.
Yeah.
It's okay.
No. This is all dry grass.
Here we go. Run.
Bro, my phone almost fell out because I started running.
Okay, guys, we're gonna try these flag ones. These are parachutes.
I want them. We're gonna wait.
We're gonna go over there by the bucket then.
Excuse me. Woo!
Yo, listen to the train up there. Let me put the thing in.
Oh, you're pissing me off.
Oh.
Let's see it.
No. I'm getting bad. I'm talking. I see it. I see it. See it.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Let me grab it. Japanese?
Japanese.
America?
What if I just let it on the grass? Yeah, I'm gonna start a fire and
Don't do it.
I'm gonna get right here because I'm gonna try to catch it.
Telling you, watch what running with those.
Here, hold it. I'm gonna try to catch
Hey,
it.
let them. Telling you, I got one.
Wait, but I'm gonna try to catch it. Wait, where's the parachute?
There it is. Oh my, what?
There's no parachute.
Wait, even though it's in there. It's in here.
I know, really.
It didn't come in her hole.
It come out.
It's the American flag!
It did not come out.
It fell.
You see it come?
Sucked.
Can I have the lighting?
It's the American flag! Give Ian a lighter pencil. He can light.
Oh, yes, sir.
Here, Ian.
I gave different countries.
I have
We're
one.
too close to each other holding those.
What do I get? What do I do?
Wait, what's this?
Hold them up,
Here,
baby.
Ian.
Oh, guys.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, you need to take
Ian,
What?
We're gonna light it together. Yo, I'm gonna light mine.
So we do just take this out.
Light yours first, and then I'll get mine. Kellen, light yours first.
Yeah, y'all stand back once he lights it, Ian.
I'm back. Go, run.
Hey, look, watch Ian.
Holy cow! Where is it?
No, it's not a parachute.
I know.
It's a rocket.
We get the bottom of it. We look for this. Okay, I'm doing. Kellen, you may want to move. Come on. I don't know where it is, but
Hold it.
Tell him you back now.
Run, Ian, run. Yo, Ian, you gonna try to find yours?
oh no! Whoa!
Ian, here's one of these.
That went through the tree.
Here one. And then Cal, here's one.
That went through the tree. Did you see that? Oh my god!
Guys, wait. Tell him, wait. How do you light them? Do you have to light them upside down?
Buddy, where is mine? I lit mine.
Yes. Do not get back.
I'm running now since I know it flies up.
If y'all can't be safe, then I'm going to take the dills away.
You have to be upside down.
No!
Which way do you do it? This
You
way
have to.
or this way?
You have to do it, and I folded mine down so while I was on the ground.
Okay, Kellen, wait.
I'll help him. Come here. No, you don't do that. And now, light that fuse. Light it. Come on out.
Kellen.
What do you think I did? Hey, I don't know where mine is.
Try to help Easton find his.
Bruh.
Or is it the one I had in my hand? No, this wasn't.
Oh, right here.
Oh, where? Oh. Okay, out there. It needs to go out. No, Easton, no!
Oh, sorry.
Where's mine?
Out there.
Where's
Here.
mine?
Out here in the grass?
No, not in the grass.
Here, I'll do
To the field.
Look,
Oh, here, Easton.
right here.
Because it's getting in the trees.
If it goes up, it's going to
Easton,
the tree.
stop. Pick it up now.
Hey.
You can't listen. I'm taking your little deal away. Okay,
No,
out
Mabel.
here somewhere. Right
You're
there.
the dragon.
You see that guy?
Go.
Oh, foot. Oh, foot. What the?
He did it upside down.
You did it wrong.
You did it upside down.
Oh, sorry. Here.
Yeah, he
Easton,
did it
do this
upside
one.
down.
Ethan, you can't do it upside down. It don't go zoomy zoomy.
Oh, it's supposed to go like that?
You didn't make it go zoomy zoomy.
I didn't know, sorry.
Bruh. Trying to see what's up to your vlog.
Get back, where the lights.
God dang.
Keep mine down.
Who's it?
Let me try. Mine's good. Mine is red.
Don't move, guys. No. Helen,
The
I
light
said
is.
no.
Oh, I saw a spark. Okay. That's how we go. It came at you.
Okay, here. These are not parachutes.
Oh, man.
Take one of these.
I'm gonna do that. I'm doing mine first. Oh, wait. Kellen has something.
Oh, God dang. What is that?
Oh, it's a rocket.
Not parachute.
I'm doing it first.
Let Ian do it first. Don't stop.
Stop. Holy. Where is it? I don't see it. Where? Oh, I see it! Callum, let me get it since it's mine. Callum, let me get it! I said, wait. Hello. There you go. Hello. Yeah. My phone is shaking.
Okay, stop. Kellen? No. Easton is lighting one.
You just lit a rocket, bud. I'm gonna set this down. What the?
I don't know what it does.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
It's a fountain.
No. Oh.
Smoke bomb.
Oh.
Here, set them
But it's like a
spinning
big
things on
smoke bomb.
this.
Oh, yeah.
Thought it would be like a fountain.
Dang.
I want to set one of mine. Hold up. I'll bring out something real quick. Coming in my house. We got this, boys. We got this, boys. When can we do this one?
You can.
Okay, bad.
Get Keith to help you.
Why?
And to make sure you know where to light it.
It's right here.
Okay.
I don't know.
Don't shoot it off until everybody's ready. Kimmy, who wants to set this one off? Keith has got a board out there for y'all to set it on.
Wait, stop. Go. Wait, how do one of these?
Wait a second.
Can I do this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go over with Keith.
Oh no, I'm scared. Ethan, can you come with me real quick? Y'all come here.
Wait. I want y'all to do your guns at the same time.
Well, all of them?
Yes, but Kellen, go put. Do not light the gun. Ian, go.
I'm scared.
Wait on Anna.
I don't see. I think that fuse is very short. So I don't know how long it's gonna take. That chute is short.
Yeah, it's fine.
Just run as fast.
You get over there.
I
You do it.
My hands aren't that steady. I'm running back. Run! Yay! It emerged. Holy cow! They're copying me. They're copying me.
Ian, go get the other hammer. Leave it for me and Leah.
Yay!
Ian, go get the hammer now.
How big?
Do it on the board.
On the board.
On the board. So they'll set better.
Yeah. So, Ian, take the wrapping off.
Oh,
I know I did this
go
one
on.
day. Right.
Holy
Dang.
whistle! Danger.
Okay, Ian, do you have this little piece off?
Not yet, bro. I need help. I can't freak. I have a thingy in my hand.
Right,
Oh.
Kellen.
Ace.
Yeah, you're gonna get burned if you don't.
Wait, what are we doing?
Hang on, Easton. Yours, or I think yours is in the black sack.
Okay, there you go.
But they have a hammer. Here, let's. Here,
Yeah,
No,
yours
don't-
is in the black sack.
babe. I want you to do it at the same time.
Well, I gave
Move.
her my lighter.
Go get over there.
No, we have.
Over here.
Gave her her.
Kellen, you're not gonna light it at the same time. I want babe.
I can't see.
Okay, well,
I can't see. What is this supposed to do again?
I don't know.
I don't want to get burnt. You mean what? You mean Thor? What do you mean Iron Man? Oh! Oh my God! It's on fire!
Oh shit, Kellen.
Ah! Ah!
My hand was getting hot.
Okay, it's fine. Ian, go. Go away. Away from everybody.
Hey, does anybody want to do some guns?
That's gay.
Yeah, in a minute.
Wait, wait, can I do my artillery cannon? No,
What is that?
we're gonna do our guns all at the same
Kellen.
time. My mom wants to.
Easton, that thing, he's caught on fire.
I'm scared about this one, bro.
Okay, are y'all gonna get a gun?
Yeah, get our gun.
Right, Kellen. Here, babe.
Mine already has it. See?
I'm gonna do it.
Come on.
I'm holding it. We're all gonna. No. Wait, where's Stephanie?
You hold it like this. He's left.
Yeah.
Stephanie left.
No, she didn't. What?
she doing over there?
What are you doing?
Stephanie, what are you doing?
I'm gonna light it.
Oh my god.
What?
Stop. Nothing.
Can I do it?
Being weirdo.
Babe, are you gonna do Ian?
Yeah.
Can I do
You know
myself?
what I was doing.
I'm not even lighting.
What are they doing?
I don't.
I am a pizza! What if they just shot Rocky? Oh, whoa. Mine's on fire.
No, Ian. Don't put your.
Oh, look at Hacker. Look at Kelly.
Bro got a full-on extension. Yeah. I smell popcorn. Yeah.
You get through with them, put them in there.
Okay. Guys, help.
You have to make sure they're not hot before you touch them. Start opening stuff and then realize you broke it.
Kellen, yours is weird. I'm gonna go. Hold up. I'm getting these ones that are done.
I need to use the board.
Ooh, that's long.
Thank you, and move.
It's long. I'm moving this out of the way. Oh no, what? Where'd that come from?
Bro, Ian, bro, look. Artillery cannon, bro, look. I gotta light it.
It says that it makes big fireworks. What it looks like.
Wait, I'm gonna do my artillery cannon.
Yeah. Skin and knee.
I smell popcorn.
Run!
Run, rabbit! Oh my! Whoa!
I still have more bombs.
Babe, we need to move it away.
Ian, I still have more ammo.
Whoa! Cut down video! I cut down video!
See, bro, look at this ammo. See, bro, look at this ammo.
I need to watch this! I need to watch it! That made you not fly!
Hey, hold on.
Easton, it's my turn! It's my turn! Easton! It's my turn!
We got 2 boards out there to.
Okay.
How to put it in and then go?
It's my turn!
As long as we're on the boards, they can do them on the grass.
Fine!
Hold this for me, please.
It's my turn.
Will you hold it for me?
Oh, I'm doing mine.
Wait, what? I'm doing this army take.
Over here, Bubba. Some of yours over here.
I don't know. Who got these?
That's yours. I got these too.
These? Where?
All these are yours.
What are these? Oh,
I don't know. It's just some kind of fountain girl, I think. You gonna do poo poo?
this is not a fountain. This thing goes up in the.
No, it doesn't work.
It says shoots flaming balls.
It's a color pearl flower.
It says shoots flaming balls.
Okay, yeah, it does.
That ain't a fountain.
Emits showers of bright red green stars with crackling. It's not nothing bad.
And shoots flaming balls.
That's what it says. But, ooh,
And it goes like that.
no, don't. It don't go like that, honey. I'm pretty sure it don't.
It's not a fountain.
It just emits showers
hey,
and
hey,
crackles.
Hey, Ian, you want one?
What?
Hold on, wait, where'd you get that one from?
These
Is
are
this one wet? Why do I feel wet?
It is?
Ian,
No, they're just cold. They're just cold.
Ian,
I hope.
you gonna put a bullet in?
Well, then what?
The artillery cannon. You wanna?
Sure. Oh, what's going on?
You light it, babe. Back up.
It's like a flare.
It almost got my legs on the.
Hey, the thing by it's supposed to be reused.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
No, yeah, that's why you have to get
Hey,
away from.
I'm gonna let you.
You get away from your fuse.
I'm scared.
You just gotta put the ammo in.
I'm scared.
Hey, we might have to place it back on the board, but it's still gonna be hot. Right by the bottom. Hot. Don't put it in that hot. Okay, to put the fuse, to put it in. To put the ammo in. You wanna light it?
Are you supposed to do it that way?
Yeah. You just light it.
Oh my gosh. My phone's. Go, Easton, you see the thing I like about this? Ready? Watch my phone.
Oh, wait, can I move that thing?
Well, I need to move that thing.
Tighten this. Noob! I need to tighten this.
Noob coming in.